In the Graphic Design and Multimedia Arts Game Design program of study, you will complete 4 classes. As a freshman, you take Principles of Arts, AV and Communications, sophomores take Video Game Design, juniors take Video Game Programming, and in the senior year, students take Advanced Video Game Programming. As your knowledge in the Unity game engine and C# programming language progresses, you can earn a certificate as a Unity certified programmer. Students in the advanced courses are expected to develop 2 completely solo games per school year. Students learn more than just programming. Students learn coding language, how it operates, and how touchy it can be. Students learn aspects of design, digital art and animation, as well as other aspects of multimedia such as audio and video. Students in the advanced courses will publish their games once completed. This program is recommended for students who want to pursue careers in the game development or computer science industry. In addition, students in this program can participate in Corsicana High School's esports competitive team, where they can compete with high schools across the state in several titles, including Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, League of Legends, and Rocket League.